bought this cough syrup today, and I was wondering if you could help me with measuring it.
Yeah. That's a great question. You know what? Let me tell you a story that might help you better learn how to measure this medication. What do you say?
That sounds great.
All right. So think about it as if you were baking cookies. When baking cookies, you don't just want to throw everything together. If you don't use the right tools to measure the ingredients and to mix the batter, then you won't get the results you want and your cookies will look like soup. If you measure your ingredients with the proper tools, then your cookies will be perfect and taste yummy. Or in your case, measuring your medicine correctly will help you feel better. So similar to baking, whenever you measure your cough syrup, you want to use the devices that have the correct measurements on them. That way you get the correct dose of medication. If you were to use a device that didn't have the correct measurements on it, you might get too little medication and the medication wouldn't work at all. Or you might get too much medication and you could experience a side effect.
Okay, thank you so much for helping me out today. I feel so much more prepared now.
You're so welcome.